Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an Oculus user, you know how crucial it is to keep your account secure, especially with all the latest updates in 2025. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Oculus PIN. This process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes, and it'll help protect your VR experiences from unauthorized access. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your Oculus device or app is powered on and connected to the internet. If you're using the Oculus mobile app, open it on your phone and log in with your current credentials. If you're on the headset, go to the home screen and select the settings icon. Step 1. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Account or Security section. It's usually at the top or in a dedicated Privacy tab. Step 2. In the Security settings, find the option labeled PIN or Account PIN. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you'll manage your PIN details. Step 3. You'll be asked to enter your current PIN for verification. Type it in carefully to ensure accuracy. If you forget it, you might need to reset your account, which can be a hassle. Step 4. After verifying, you'll see a prompt to enter a new PIN. Choose something strong and memorable, like a combination of numbers and letters, but keep it easy for you to remember. Step 5. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it in the next field. Once that's done, hit Save or Confirm to update it. And just like that, your Oculus PIN is changed. This simple update can go a long way in securing your virtual reality world. Remember, it's always a good idea to change your PIN periodically or after sharing your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.